Charles, you looking at an icon. Snatch a bottle off ice, now pour
One
me
day I'm gonna be hitting up.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. As you can see here, here's my new project from a customer. They need me to do a few things to this GLE 450. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe and comment, good or bad. But this is the new build. Yes, it is a burn, and it is from the auction. Here's the insides. Yeah, it's bad. Well, it's not as bad, but you get the point. The door. The history report on this car is that this car was parked next to a burned vehicle. Here's the heart. It's still there, but you know, all the plastic burnt up, obviously. This is just the update video on this particular car. Day by day, I will be updating you on this, but this is the new project. It's a GLE 450. Please subscribe, comment, good or bad, and like my videos. I have a lot more to come. This is just the beginning. Peace.